Okay, so the next exercise is to, after we've done the pulling in of the pelvis and getting the stomach strong, and you can feel this. So every time you pull your belly button in and up, the whole pelvis should engage. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get everything working together. So the next thing we're going to do is focus on a little bit more power and strength. And this is going to help with your jumps. This is also going to help to realign everything. So it happens fast and it reboots the nervous system. So what I'm going to do is bring my feet, I'll turn a little bit sideways here. So I'm going to bring the feet about shoulder width apart, and we're going into a nice little squat. So as you send your hips back, try not to let your knees come forward. And I'd like your sit bones to open and widen a little bit. And you'll feel some traction here in the low back. Now, from here, the belly's relaxed. You're not engaging anything. Your weight is in your heels. When you go to stand up, you come up very quickly and you'll tighten the quads, the butt, and the stomach pulls up. You're engaging everything as one unit. And you'll pause for a couple moments. Now, at first, you'll just feel the legs and butt. But after you've done your pelvic floor tightening, this is what I want you to do second, okay? So hands to your thighs. We're going to send the bottom back, dig the weight into the heels, and come up with a bit of aggression here. So we're going to come up very forcefully. And exhale when you come up. Pull the belly button in and up. Your rear end should be rock hard. Your stomach is super flat when you do this. And then relax, okay? You're going to hold each one for about 3 seconds. So let's do 5 more. So we hinge back, sit bones widen. This is our rest. And then we come up very quickly. I want you to do 5 of these in a row. Pull the stomach up. It should really be working your abs and your butt very much. And good. 2 more. And you'll notice that there's almost a little jump. I'm going to do 1 more. And this will help to rebalance everything. So hold each one for about 3 seconds. And I want you to do this anytime you start to feel like the muscles are not firing properly. This will help to reboot and get your kinetic chain firing properly again.